Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Insights, where we dive into the innovations shaping our world. Today, we're talking about something that's revolutionizing your wallet, your bank account, and even how you buy your morning coffee. That's right, the latest fintech trends that are completely changing how we transact. If you've ever wondered why your phone is now your credit card, or how cryptocurrencies are going mainstream, stick around. This is going to be eye-opening. First off, let's set the stage. Fintech, short for financial technology, isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's the powerhouse blending finance with cutting-edge tech to make money moves faster, safer, and more accessible. Remember the days of waiting in line at the bank? Or carrying around a bulky wallet stuffed with cash and cards? Those are fading fast, thanks to fintech's rapid evolution. One of the biggest game changers is mobile payments and digital wallets. Think about it. With apps like Apple Pay, Google Wallet, or even newer players like Revolut and Wise, you can tap your phone and pay in seconds. No more fumbling for change or worrying about lost cards. In 2025, we're seeing adoption skyrocket globally, especially in emerging markets where traditional banking is limited. For instance, in Africa, services like M-Pesa have empowered millions to send money via text, bypassing banks altogether. It's not just convenient. It's inclusive, bringing financial services to the unbanked. But wait, it gets even more exciting with blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin might have started the hype, but now we're in the era of practical applications. Stablecoins like USDC are making cross-border transactions a breeze, cheap, instant, and without the hefty fees from old-school wire transfers. And let's not forget decentralized finance, or DeFi. Platforms like Uniswap and Aave let you lend, borrow, or trade assets peer-to-peer, no middleman required. Imagine earning interest on your savings at rates banks could only dream of, all secured by smart contracts. Of course, it's not without risks. Volatility and regulation are hot topics. But governments are stepping in. Central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, are rolling out in places like China with the digital yuan, and even the US is piloting its own. This could mean seamless, traceable digital cash that's as reliable as your dollar bill. Now, shift gears to artificial intelligence in fintech. AI isn't just for sci-fi movies. It's powering personalized banking experiences. Robo-advisors like Betterment or Wealthfront analyze your habits and suggest investments tailored to you. All automated, low-cost, and super efficient. Fraud detection? AI spots suspicious transactions in real time, keeping your money safe. And chatbots? They're handling customer service 24/7, answering queries faster than any human could. In 2025, we're seeing AI evolve with machine learning that predicts your needs, like suggesting a budget tweak before you overspend. Another frontier is open banking. This is where banks share your data, with your permission, of course, to third-party apps. In Europe, thanks to PSD2 regulations, it's already transforming things. Apps like Mint or Plaid pull info from multiple accounts, giving you a holistic view of your finances. No more logging into 5 different apps. It's all in one place. This fosters competition, driving innovation and better deals for consumers. Picture this: an app that automatically switches your energy provider to save money, or one that invests your spare change from coffee runs. That's the power of open banking. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Cybersecurity is paramount in this fintech boom. We're seeing advanced biometrics, facial recognition, voice ID, making logins ironclad. But hackers are smart too, so companies are investing billions in quantum-resistant encryption. And sustainability? Fintech's going green with platforms tracking carbon footprints of transactions or promoting eco-friendly investments. Looking ahead, what's next? Metaverse banking, where you transact in virtual worlds? Or embedded finance, like buying insurance right in your Uber app? The possibilities are endless, but one thing's clear. Fintech is democratizing finance, making it fairer for everyone. So, what do you think? Has fintech changed how you handle money? Drop a comment below, like if this sparked your interest, and subscribe for more deep dives into tech trends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.